Hi, my dear YouTube fragrance friends. Welcome to my channel. I hope you are doing really good. I hope you are enjoying the sun that we have in this season. And I'm holding in my hands this perfume, guys. I have this perfume. It's for man. Stronger with You is the name. And I will be unboxing it. I'm a little bit late in the game with this perfume, guys, but it's never too late, isn't it? And we can always unbox and try the new perfumes that we choose to. I usually had this another perfume for ladies because this one is for man. Also from these categories. What's that? Is it because of You is the name? And I didn't like it that much, guys. I didn't wear that perfume. It was too acidic for me, and I didn't enjoy it at all. So I gave it to somebody else. And what about man perfume, guys? Let's see. Let's see how's this perfume gonna be. I have my computer in front as well, and I will be reading it for you, some notes. Let's unbox it right now. So that's the perfume, guys. That's the box. The box is brilliant. Everything is brilliant, like, you know, couldn't be better. Like, just that type of feeling. I have 50 ml bottle. It's a small bottle that I have. It's by Armani, you know, Armani. So we're gonna take it out now. The feeling is classic feeling. Ooh. That type of small perfume, like kind of, you know what it means to have 100 ml and to have, let's say, you know, 50 ml. It's totally different feeling because the bottle obviously will be type of smaller, you know, it's kind of cute and small, as you can see. And so it's great because like, let's say, in case this perfume like will not be nice, so it will not be standing in the shelf for very long, you know. So that's basically, guys, that's the box, and that's the perfume. So looks classy, and we will try it. We will try this perfume, but I want to read about it. So I will be reading, guys, about this perfume right now from the computer that we have. And then, so it says Armani. So Stronger With You is aromatic fougere fragrance for man. And then it's 2017 launch, 2017. So it's pretty long. And then there is like a cardamom, pink pepper, violet leaf, mint, pineapple, cinnamon, melon, sage, lavender. And then there is vanilla, chestnut, amberwood, cedar, gaiac wood. I like the note gaiac wood, guys. So let's see what do people. So basically, so it says it's a new fragrance, and it's like embodiment of authentic modern day love, the feminine edition because it's you, and masculine Stronger With You, it's 2017 edition. And then basically, so I had that feminine edition and I didn't really like it, you know. What do people say? So what do people say, guys? It says long lasting. It's a lot of says long lasting, you know. And then let's see what else it says. Generic sweet designer. This is people would say, you know, generic sweet designer that doesn't last long unless you spray a lot. And then smells like a blast of boozy rose with saffron. It's more fresh than gourmand. And then it's ideal for summer. It's gourmand. And then tried it today for the first time. Not a fan at all. Hard to wash it off, it says, you know, which it could be true. Like, and some people say it's fantastic smell, and then other people say, you know, scent is 8 out of 10, longevity 8 out of projection 7 out of 10, value 8 out of 10. Opening is very good, people say. Some people say they really like it. And then so 3 hours sillage, 8 hours longevity, can be worn on any occasion. Some people really like it. Some people say it's 10 out of 10. So we will finish with this computer right now. And we're gonna see, guys, I will have to spray it on my hand to double check it. I want to tell you that what's the story of these things over here. As you can see, there is a cap. Ooh. So in this cap, as you can see, there are rings. So So those rings has a meaning, you know. I think like Giorgio Armani was wearing like either one ring or two rings. I can't remember now, but there is some kind of story, and it's actually very nice. Let's say if you give it to, like as a present to, let's say like someone who's going to marry soon, so there are rings, you know. Or if you give it to your partner who is going to marry with you soon, you know, like so there are rings over there. So it's type of nice meaning perfume, you know. And let's guys right now stronger with you. Stronger with you. Are you ready, guys? I'm gonna spray it right now. So we're gonna have it here. Okay, so we're gonna spray it. So to me, it's kind of generic opening of those like similar, like let's say Polo Red, you know, that type of sweet, that Polo Red or Mugler Mirage, those type of similar perfumes. Like let's say it's sweet, but not like let's say nearly going towards the stronger sweetness, like overpowering sweetness, but not yet. There is some kind of freshness there too. So it's actually quite pleasant. It's sweet and spicy, guys. Sweet and spicy, like sweet and spicy, like it wouldn't be like fresh perfume, you know. That freshness is, let's say, first what it comes is sweet, second thing it comes is spicy, and third thing comes is freshness. So freshness is at the end, guys. Will not be perfume that will surprise anyone, like let's say, I like that sweetness. It might give you that cozy feeling, you know, but you know, if you will be looking for that type of feeling, is that unique perfume? Not really. It's actually very type of generic, like nothing special, you know, but nice anyway, but nothing special. Like, I think it's very linear, you know, very linear perfume, which you cannot find any surprise in it, and very linear, which means like there will be no surprises, guys, in this perfume. Honestly, just only three words comes into my head, like a pleasantly sweet, spicy, and little bit of fresh, and no surprises as well. Also, will not be perfume that you would wear for some kind of like a special occasion, you know. Will be more like generic, day-to-day basis, with possibility to end up, let's say, a little bit bored of this perfume too, in a way. But so let's say, how much would I rate this perfume? I would say 6.5 out of 10 or 7 out of 10. Nearly, guys, 6.5 out of 10. That's what I would rate, because a little bit lacking of uniqueness, you know, lacking of uniqueness, very generic type of thing, like as very often in designers can be. Like, let's say I'm gonna pick up another thing right now for you. So let's say if I pick up this one right now, so this one is generic in a fresh way, you know, but this one is generic in the type of spicy and sweet way. What's unusual about this perfume that is kind of more sweet, you know, so it's completely different, these two perfumes. This one going towards fresh direction, and this one is going towards you know, sweet direction. So let's say if you're a man that is looking for sweeter perfumes, so maybe that's the one, you know, that you should go, guys. And so that's, guys, pretty much it about perfume, you know. Let me just kind of try it one more time. Little bit annoyingly sweet it can be, especially if you wear it in a hot season, you know. So that would be my type of review about this perfume. I will come back to you another time. Like this video, and I will see you very, very soon. Have a great day, guys. Bye bye.